Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. For today's episode of Logging In, this video I will be showing you how you can archive and unarchive Instagram post. To begin with, first of all, open the Instagram. You're at the Instagram feed right now. Now here you go to your profile section, tap on profile icon. There you tap on any post that you want to archive. Okay, I'm just gonna tap on this post over here. Now I want to archive this post. For that, tap on the three dotted vertical lines on the right side of your post. Tap on there, and there you will see the option of archive in the pop-up. Tap on archive, and you can see one of the posts has been archived from my Insta feed. Now to unarchive the post, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. There you can see the option of archived in there. Then you tap on archive. Once you tap on the archive, you will be first shown the stories archive. Here to choose the post, you tap on the drop down menu. There you can see the option of post archive. You tap on post archive, and the post that you have just recently archived will be shown. Tap open that. Then again tap on the three dotted lines and tap on show on profile. This will unarchive your post for the Instagram. And if you refresh it, you can see the post has appeared on your Insta feed again. This is how you can archive and unarchive your Instagram post. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.